and welcome to R&B Models with Rick and Brandy. Today we're going to be reviewing what's inside of the kit of the GMC Jimbo. Rick's going to go through everything that's inside of this kit.
Alright, it's an AMT kit. Here's your off-road adventure. About the top on it, here's what's the stock version of it. Here's your chassis setup with your little stacks on there. If you like doing that. This is for the drag because you got the four-wheel drag wheels on it. Here's your parachute. Here's for your removable top, gate, and stock wheels, and your bucket seats. And of course, on the bottom, it's got everything that's in the kit. Alright, here's your body. It's all molded pretty much in one, except for the tailgate. You've got the inner fenders molded in, firewall, radiator support. It's got the nice molding on the side. It's all well done, nice and straight. Here's your top. Got the air cleaner. A couple other accessories. Here's the gate, which seems to be twisted on this kit. No, that's not good. Here's your bucket seats, your rear seat, your tailgate, or your hatch, whatever you want to call it. Your hood, and that's where you can cut out your hood for the, you want to put the stacks that come up through it. Got a couple pieces of flashing, maybe cleaned off it. Here's your interior tub, bags, got some stuff on it. Got the panels that are lightly edged in there, so you can paint it up however you want. Here's for your underneath, your covers. Here's your spare tire, wheel. Here's your console, hub. Hold it for something. And your steering wheel. There's quite a bit of flashing on this kit. Here's your frame, your exhaust, and here's your tailpipes. Frame looks very straight. Here's all your suspension, your wheel springs, your rear end, your front end. You just got to glue the two halves together. Here's your shocks, struts, and your springs. Here's your rear release, or your front release, I mean. And more springs, and depending on what setup you want to use, you want to use the deuce springs or the single shocks. And that's supposed to be for your spare tire. Here's your dash. Got some white gauge etching in there for your radio, all that kind of stuff. Here's your cover for your rear hatch. Back for your seats and your bench seat. And two more wheel hubs. Here's your engine halves, your stock valve covers, heads, fan, oil pan, one of your hoses, transfer case, fuel pump or water pump. Here's some headers, battery, air cleaner, belt accessories. Here's your stock manifolds, intake. Here's your chrome stuff. Here's your stock chrome wheels. Here's some rally wheels. Here's your grill, front bumper, Here's your parachute. Your intake. Here's your stack setup. You want to do that. Here's your fuel tank. Rear bumper. Here's for some lights. You want to put those on. Chrome timing cover. Here's some gauges. Here's your, like air conditioning alternators. Stuff. Some more lights. We'll put those on. Carburetors. Here's your chrome shifters. Got 2 sets of wheels. Got your stock no-name wheels. They're Howell, so you just can tweeze them. And you got the drag radios. They're Race Masters. They got white letters on it, so that's kind of nice if you want to do that. I always like white letters. You got 2 axles. Nice and solid. You don't have the wheels breaking off. Here's your tail lights. Here's your back hatch. Here's for your covers, for side, for the back, for your top. Here's your windshield and chrome headlights, or clear headlights. Got pretty simple instruction sheets. Engine. Not overly detailed, but everything's here. Here's for your paint code if you want to do that. Try to follow along. That looks everything good there. Here's your decal seats. We're going to put Jimbo on it. Top Jimmy. Four-wheel drive. I'm going to put the black stripes on there, white stripes. Here's your for a gauge cluster. All your license plates. Must be a 72. Here's your side marker lights. You can put GMC Jimmy on there and GMC in the back. 350. All Pennzoil. First. Purelator. It's up to you what you like to put in your sheet.
Well, that's everything in the kit. We'd like to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you come back again. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.